Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks. And also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.
Y'all see this? This is different. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about today's style. You guys see this? This is absolutely gorgeous. Let me give you all the details. Let's get into today's wig. I'm excited for today's style because we got some color. Today's wig comes from UNiceHair. One of their pre-everything wigs. It is a 13x4. We have tape, we have edge bands. We just have everything that we need to install. So let's get into it. I'm excited about today's wig. Hold on, let me get rid of this paper. This wig is a burgundy, a beautiful color. Look how gorgeous this is. Y'all, let me see if I can get closer. Do you guys see that beautiful burgundy color in this wig? This is pretty. Now, depending on how the light hit it, it'll be brighter, or right now it's showing just a tad bit darker. Body wave, pre-everything curl. Look at them curls. Oh my goodness, so soft. This wig do come with a bang, so that's why they have the roller here to keep the bang curl. This is a 13x4 cap, and it also has the pull adjustable string for instant wear. It really gets the wig nice and tight on the head without being uncomfortable, but it gives hold. And then they added some tape to the side, has the comb in, and then it also have the comb in the back. So let's try it on. So I'm just gonna take the adjustable strap, put it over, and then I'm going to flip this. Let me go ahead and just remove this roller off the bang so we can take a, ooh, okay. This color is gorgeous. I'm gonna use all the straps. I'm gonna use this adjustable strap, this one, and also the one that's in here, and to get a really secure hold. This side comes around the ear perfectly fine. So if I need to, I can cut it just a little bit, not that much, just a little bit. For the most part, it fits pretty good. I'm gonna take this and we're going to just pull until, ooh, yes. I'm gonna pull it until it fits comfortably. Also, just tuck it under the wig. I'm just gonna pull off the paper. Y'all, this is too pretty. Let me straighten it up some. This is really pretty. I love the color. Let me see. I think my phone will show it better. Let me put a clip in for you guys. What it looks like. I turned up my lighting on my camera so you guys look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my God, this is gorgeous, y'all. And the bang is just perfect. Hold on, am I still too bright? Let me turn this back up, y'all. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Look at that bang. So you don't even have to cut the hair, add any layers to it because it comes already like that. Let's go over the specs on this wig right quick. Okay, so the color is considered a black cherry, loose wave with face framing curtain bangs. I think they did an awesome job with. It's 24 inches and this is a 13x4 cap. So of course you can still party. I'm gonna show you guys in a second a style that you can do. But the curtain bangs by themselves just really makes the look, especially if you are a person that don't know how to curl your hair. You can just get this straight out the box and you have pre-cut everything, pre-cut bangs, pre-cut lace, pre-curled hair. Just get up and go. So yeah, I like this. This is beautiful. All right, so let's do a quick style. See, you can pull it up with the drawstring. It lays the back very flat, so you don't have to worry about anything showing back there when you do pull it up. I like this a lot, and the color just really complements the updo. As you can see, a half up, half down style is also achievable. I do think this is so pretty. The curls, everything is just gorgeous. The face framing layers just give extra to the hair. And you can already see I did not need to use any of my melting spray. I did not need to do anything to the lace because it blends so well with my skin. All right, y'all. So y'all seeing everything that I did to this wig, which was the bare minimum. And I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box for you guys. Again, this wig is from UNiceHair. This is their black cherry colored hair. And I like it. I really do. Like, everything looks good. Again, you can part it wherever you want to. You don't have to be stuck with the side, a middle part. You can switch it over to about right over here. All right, so I'll be sure to put everything below in the description box. Be sure to check down there, and I will see you back in my next video.
Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks. And also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.